First things first, guys, just get off the old brake line. Here we got the brand new one ready to go on. Put your bolt through with your two crush washers. Get that guy threaded in there nice. As you can see, I've already run the hard line from the area right there and put your clip on top. Once you got your clip through there, the thing will be nice and snug and ain't going anywhere. Don't be afraid to hit her with a hammer a little bit. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. Just make sure your hose isn't touching anything, won't come in contact with the wheel or suspension. Go ahead and attach your hard line. Make sure you use a line wrench. Check it out. Look at that brand new puppy. Woo! She's ready to go. I just wanted to give you all a quick look at what it looks like from the top. Got a brand new hard line back there. The old one was leaking and rusted out. Got brand new copper line. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe for more content like this.